So let's write the programs on the conditional statements, whatever we discussed. So what are the conditional statements? If else, nested if else, switch case. These are all the conditional statements. So I'm going to write all these programs. For each one I'll write a program. I'll show you the demo. Now create a separate package. I'm going to create here package and class at a time. How to create a package and class at a time? So right click on SRC, new class, select the class and give the package name, control structure programs. So control structure programs. And I'm going to give class name, conditional statements demo. That's the C capital. Statements S capital. Demo D capital. So I'll take the main method because I want to execute my methods. I'm going to write again methods only here. Each condition one method I'll write. So click on finish. See, package is created. Below that, package below class also created. Both are created. If you want, so not visible, let me know. I'll increase the font size. Okay. Now, what kind of methods you want? Static or non-static methods? I told you already. I promised you everywhere methods I'm going to write. What kind of methods you want? Static or non-static methods?
Static.
Static. So what is the static method syntax? Void parameterized method. Access modifier.
Data.
Static. Void. Method name. Parenthesis. Data type. P1. So data type. This is the variable, the parameters declaration syntax. I need two parameters. I'm deciding, I am the programmer, I'm deciding how many parameters you want. So logic. This is my static method syntax. Access modifier, I'll use private. Then next static keyword, then void. Method is if demo. I'm just giving a demo of if. So I have to put int A, comma, int B. Parameters I have taken. See, everything as per this syntax I have done. See, any deviation is there, you see up to that. Access modifier is private. Static, void, method name only change. I have given my method name. And access modifier, there are four. One of the access modifier I have given here. So this is a generic formula. In that I am replacing as per my requirement. So data type is integer A and parameter name A I have given. Next parameter data type is int and parameter is B. So I started the curly bracket. Now I need to press enter key so that my end curly bracket also will come. The paid up. See, this is the end curly bracket. Now I'll write. So I have to write all the logics here. So started executing the if demo.
Are we not defining the values like A and B?
When I'm calling, I'm going to give, right? That's the methods, right? Parameterized methods. User can give his own data.
Yeah.
That's the advantage with the parameterized methods. So you can call, I can call same method. You don't need to create again and again same logic. Somebody will call, he can give his own data for A and B. Again, you don't need to create for another way data, the same logic if you want. For example, I want to check. So A greater than B. So I can say simply say that. So A is bigger than B, and you can print if you want A value. Sorry. So if you want to write another condition, I have to write one more if block. So there is no else block here. A less than B. A is smaller than B. You can print if you want. If you want to write one more condition, you have to write another if block. Like this, you can write a number of if blocks, but so the number of lines of code will increase, right? So that's why we need multiple conditions. If you want to think, you can go always nested if else. Equal. So I want to give expressions. We have till now all expressions we have written. Now I can write even more also, right? I can say A plus B expression I can write greater than C. I can write like this also, right? So these are bigger expressions. C is not there, right? That's why, yeah, if you take, you can write like this, but I'll write some other place. I'll put directly this true block, directly true I'm writing. Given condition value as Boolean true. So if you want to write one more, I have to write another if condition. For example, I am negating negation false. See, I can write negating the false. So you can write like this. This is all the I'm just ending this if demo. End of if demo method. Okay, so that's it. All if block is done. One method. This is the one method. So one function we have written static method with parameters void method. And I want to write one more method, else block. How can you write else block? See that. Same syntax. Maybe I can take void method without parameters. So you can say same syntax you write. Practice same syntaxes, okay? that it will be good for you. You won't forget the syntaxes also. That will be easy for you practicing and writing. First write the syntaxes, but it will be easy for you and creating methods anywhere. I'll take up default method static. Void access modifier I given default. So void IfElse demo. You can declare a local variables here. So data type, variable name equal to value. So data type is, I can say integer a equal to 40, b equal to 30, c equal to 100. All the three variables I have declared. So you can declare like this, all are integers, just put a comma. Automatically a is an integer, b is an integer, c is an integer. You don't need to write multiple lines. One line you can declare like this also. Now I'm going to use a logical operators. Let me use a logical operators here. So logical operator R I will use. So what is the logical operator R symbol? Two pipe symbols, right? Pipe is the pipe symbol. Like the logical R operator. So if a greater than 10 or b greater than 15, so then I'm saying execute this block. So then you can print some value. A value is else. In case that is not true, then what code you want to execute? So this is the where else block will help us. Plus C. That's it. See, that is one. One minute. This out. So use logical operator and okay. So let's finish this. So I'm going to use AND operator now. So a less than 10 and b greater than 15. So now see the way we are writing the expressions. These expressions are giving what kind of result. You see that based on the result it will go to that block, right? I'm inside a block. A value is now here it will become false. The value will become false, right? So it will come directly to else block. So I'll put C value is just to see. Okay. So this is the two programs we have written, and so remaining we'll write tomorrow. Nested if else and the switch block. Then we'll go for the loops, where we are going to start the loops. Okay. So any questions?